Hey guys, we're over here today at the neighbor's house, and got my daughter Kayla helping today, and Zach. Y'all know, some of y'all know Zach already. And what we got here is when they built this house, this garage doors originally had a post in the middle. You can see here on the ground where the post set, and this lintel up here is a two-piece lintel, and you can see it's actually starting to fall. There's some cracks in the brick up there as well. So what we've got to do is remove these bricks that are cracked, remove this two-piece lintel and put a one-piece in, and salvage these bricks, which is really going to be a job. There's a large potential for this to be dangerous. There's a lot of weight up there, so I've got to get some jacks. Probably going to use some foundation jacks that have been modified with a top plate that'll go in between the grout lines of this brick up there and help support above where that big crack is in that grout line right there. So we'll keep you updated. Alright guys, what we did here is just took some jacks that we bought at Home Depot that are just foundation jacks. And I took them to a friend of mine, welded on some special plates that could go in the grout line of this, in between the bricks here, so we could support everything that was above it, just in case. You know, because we had to come pretty wide out here. We wanted to support all that weight that it's holding. We got it opened up here to where we can take that steel lintel out. And you can see where they had welded actually a three-piece angle iron together here, and then supported it with another piece of angle iron and ran some lag bolts through both of them into the header that's behind it. And I hope that header behind it hasn't gotten water damage, but you can see this along the bottom here has been getting wet for years, and it's rotten, so we're going to have to replace it tomorrow. Praise God we didn't break one brick getting all this out, so we'll be able to reuse all our brick. You can see we've got 4 of those jacks, and that little plate we had welded on worked perfect. But what we're doing with these bricks is just using a grinder to grind off the any excess mortar that was left on there. So, we've got all these bricks that we can reuse. It's a lot of work. I don't think we'll ever have match this brick again. And there's only 2 or 3 cuts that were cut it with the brick that we have to put back exactly where they belong. Everything else will just go anywhere. We just ended up using this old lintel. They had reinforced it, but the problem was they only used 3-inch lag screws to go into the beam through the lintel. But you can see through this flashing here, you can see those bolts. We put 5-inch lag bolts back in it, and that should eliminate the problem. Also, the problem was that that this board here had rotted out. It was just letting that lintel fall, and that's why the bricks had cracked like they have. What we've done is just cleaned up all our bricks and just reuse all these, of course. We're going to start laying brick now. So. Got the rest of these bricks back in. Doesn't look too bad. I'm not a bricklayer, but anyway, got it back up to where it needs to be.